Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the Kraken app and why it's not working for some people. Now, I know that the Kraken app is a popular choice for those who are looking for a secure and anonymous way to browse the web. However, it seems that there have been a number of reports of the app not working properly. So, if you're one of the many people who are having trouble with the Kraken app, then you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to discuss some of the possible reasons why the app might not be working for you, and I'll also provide some tips on how to fix the problem. Possible reasons why the Kraken app is not working. The app is not compatible with your device. The Kraken app is only compatible with certain devices. If you're trying to use the app on a device that is not compatible, then it will not work. Your internet connection is not strong enough. The Kraken app requires a strong internet connection in order to work properly. If your internet connection is weak, then you may experience problems with the app. The Kraken app is down. From time to time, the Kraken app may be down for maintenance or other reasons. If the app is down, then you will not be able to use it until it is back up and running. You have an outdated version of the Kraken app. The Kraken app is constantly being updated with new features and bug fixes. If you are using an outdated version of the app, then you may experience problems. You have a firewall or antivirus software that is blocking the Kraken app. Some firewalls and antivirus software may block the Kraken app from working. If you are having trouble with the Kraken app, then you may need to disable your firewall or antivirus software temporarily. You have cookies or cached data that is interfering with the Kraken app. Cookies and cached data can sometimes interfere with the Kraken app. If you are having trouble with the app, then you may need to clear your cookies and cached data. Tips on how to fix the Kraken app. Check to see if the app is compatible with your device. If the app is not compatible with your device, then you will need to find a different app to use. Make sure that you have a strong internet connection. If your internet connection is weak, then you may need to try using the app again later. Check to see if the Kraken app is down. If the app is down, then you will need to wait until it is back up and running. Update the Kraken app to the latest version. If you are using an outdated version of the app, then you can update it by going to the App Store or Google Play Store. Disable your firewall or antivirus software temporarily. If you think that your firewall or antivirus software is blocking the Kraken app, then you can try disabling it temporarily. Clear your cookies and cached data. If you have cookies or cached data that is interfering with the Kraken app, then you can clear it by going to your browser settings and selecting Clear Browsing Data. If you have tried all of the tips above and you are still having trouble with the Kraken app, then you may need to contact the app's developers for help. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that said, thanks for watching. Until next time.